Hi, I'm Tom from AUDAC, and we would love to show you actually our new RIVEO family. These are screens, so we have an L model and we have an M model here. And as you just saw, they've got a proximity server, so I came close, it lit up, even so that we've got ambient lighting, so now it's getting darker and it's lighting back up again. But that's one of the small details that goes into the development of this product. It's glass, it's anti-touch resistant, only the best materials were used inside. And the reason for that being is because we highly believe that a product like this should last the lifetime that a light switch does in a building, because that's what our end customers are expecting. So that's why this is also not running on an iOS system like Android, which is rapidly evolving, but on our own Linux platform system, which is very, very stable and is able to manage that life cycle. So we've got full flexibility on these panels. We can create dashboards on a drag and drop topology within the AUDAC platform. So basically, anything that has a TCP/IP connection lives in that platform, and we can adjust it. We can also combine it with any of our devices, so it's full compatibility across the whole lineup of products. And as you can tell, yeah, we're very excited about it. We've got a tabletop accessory that we're using here, but we've also got the option to wall mount it. We've got the possibility to landscape it, portrait mode it, and the uniqueness of this solution in itself is the flexibility that you get, the things that you can configure, from third-party commands to volume controls to adding an album cover or an image from a specific company. Anything's possible on these panels, and we feel that's just the beginning of the functionalities and features that we will be offering in the future. Sort of like a gateway to the platform in its sense. So if you want to find out more about them, you can go to audac.eu. I'm Tom, and thank you for watching.